Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Signal account from your mobile device. So first of all, open your Signal app and remember, you must be logged in to your Signal account, otherwise you won't be able to delete it. So once you're logged into your account, on the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture or your name initials written on it. Tap on it and then it will take you to the settings page, and there you can see a ton of different options. Tap on the option called Advanced, and right over there you can see an option named Delete Account. So tap on it and then tap on Proceed, and there you have it. You have successfully deleted your Signal account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.